It's a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder. Innovation that excites from behind the wheel all the way through the third row and for the long haul. Load up in an instant with the EasyFlex seating system featuring latch and glide. Lay the second and third rows flat and you have 79.8 cubic feet to work with. There's even underfloor storage to stash away your valuables and roof rails for bulky and longer loads. Best-in-class passenger volume is complemented by best-in-class towing capacity at up to 5,000 pounds. Plus, the Xtronic continuously variable transmission and 3.5-liter V6 engine offer impressive power and excellent fuel efficiency.
No one will complain about the temperature with the dual-zone climate control.
The most compatible companion for your thriving family. Take a closer look today.
Apple Nissan offers a great selection, exceptional service, and the value you expect. We are conveniently located at 1510 Whiteford Road in York, Pennsylvania.